Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Minecraft on your Google mobile device. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone or tablet. Search for Minecraft and select the official game. Purchase and download the application. Make sure you have enough storage space, typically around 150 megabytes, and a stable internet connection for a smooth download process. Once installed, you're ready to launch the game. After the game finishes installing, locate the Minecraft icon on your home screen or app drawer and tap to open it. You'll be prompted to sign in with a Microsoft account. If you already have one, simply enter your credentials. If not, it's easy to create a new one directly through the app. This account links your game progress, purchases, and allows you to play with friends online. Once you're signed in, tap the play button on the main menu. Then, select Create New and Create New World. You'll have the option to choose between Survival Mode, where you gather resources and fight monsters, or Creative Mode, which gives you unlimited resources and flight. You can also customize settings like difficulty, world type, and even enter a specific seed to generate a unique world. Now you're in your world. The on-screen joystick on the left controls your movement, while swiping the right side of the screen changes your camera view. To break a block, simply tap and hold it. To place a block, select it from your hotbar and tap where you want it to go. Open your inventory to craft tools, weapons, and other essential items to begin your adventure.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.